Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how do you upload your resume onto LinkedIn. So if you are a job seeker, it's really nifty little tool to have the ability to have your resume on LinkedIn when you are applying for a job. So let's get started. How do you do it? First of all, log in your LinkedIn account, then click me, then click here setting and privacy, click here data privacy. When you click privacy, then scroll down from here, scroll down and you can see here job seeker reference. Click here job application settings. When you click here, as you can see here, lot of CV that I have already uploaded, so you will upload here updated one. So click upload resume and select the file, select the CV where you keep up to date. So here you are uploading the CV. So here you go, it's already uploaded. Then you can delete all the old one which is you have already existing uploaded, which is old one. I'm going to delete here. As you can see, I uploaded 2023 and 2024. All the old one is I'm going to delete it. So guys, you can do the same method to upload your CV. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for new update my videos. Till then, goodbye.